Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Shashwat, and in this video I am going to show you how as a Unity developer you can transfer your skills to Godot and create amazing games within Godot. So if you are a Unity developer and wondering how to transition to Godot, this video is just for you. Today we will break down the core differences between Unity and Godot and how you can leverage your existing Unity's knowledge to start building games in Godot. So now before we begin, here are few prerequisites. This tutorial assumes that you already have knowledge of Unity and its fundamental concepts. This is not a direct comparison between Unity and Godot, but rather a guide on how to transfer your skills from one engine to another. With that out of the way, let's dive in. Alright, so before we get into the difference between Unity and Godot and how they work, I want to clarify something very important. Learning a skill and mastering a tool are two different things. You may be a Godot developer, a Unity developer, or maybe an Unreal developer. These are just tools. Your actual skill as a game developer is how you program logic, how you structure gameplay mechanics and combine them together to create a fully functional game. The core principles of game development remains same across all engines. For example, if you are, let's say, making a movement time frame independent in Unity, you would multiply it by time.delta time. In Godot, the equivalent would be multiplying it by delta. Similarly, in Unity we have a function called update which runs every frame. And the same is true for Godot, in which we call the function name is basically _process. So if you already understand the fundamentals of game development, switching to Godot is simply about adapting a new tool and not learning an entirely new skill from scratch.